Yo, what is up, guys? It's Lexer here, and today I'm gonna be doing another video. Now, today, basically, just me and Sauce were talking about, video ideas and stuff. And a while back, I made this Photoshop video, and we were talking about that video idea. Good, fun video ideas. But basically, after we were talking about that, he made a video, photoshopping Deji versus Gib. Now that he gave me credit, so I can't complain. So, that gave me a smart idea to do Jake versus KSI. I'm gonna be photoshopping the same way that Sauce did, and I'm just gonna try my best to try to make this look realistic with using only a mobile photoshopping. And I'm gonna be doing more photoshopping, which I could do a lot of photoshopping. I'm not the worst, but I'm not the best. Alright, guys, so I have, as you can see on the screen right here, it's the Jake versus Gib, and it's like countdown blah blah thing right here, as you can see. But it says the zone, everything. But basically, I have this picture right here of KSI, and I want to insert this picture right here. KSI versus Jake soon, and I cannot wait for Jake to get knocked the fuck out. So guys, before I insert the picture of KSI, I'm gonna have to cut Gib off the picture. So basically, I saw Sauce crop it out one by one in like the hard way. But what I would do, I'd do this the easier way, which is like, maybe this is how you can do it easier, which is like pretty much easier. So let me how you want to do it. So you just do this, easy, you can optical, and then this and that, and I'm done there. Alright, so now that I cut out Gib off the picture, I'm gonna have to cut out the Gib from there too, but I'm gonna keep that right now, and then I'm gonna insert the KSI picture. Alright guys, so let's crop it out. Alright guys, so I'm finally done cropping it, and I'm trying to make this as like fast as I can. That's why I cut it, and I didn't do nothing, show you guys too much.
Pull up in the gold, I'm leading. But them other man need feeding. I don't wanna go Bombay. Them I don't know what I do when I go from Beeling. Leading the pack in black, and I'm on with the bag. Snapping with a phone and dab. Boss up, I'm out with the duster. Put him in the drip and sip blockbuster. Win, 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 that's the only ammo. Ring, 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 I reply with NO.
The most challenging part here is trying to get the same font, which is gonna take a while, so.
Fresh, clean, saw the thing and she popped like hello.
I think we found one, hold on. KSI right here. That's perfect, but it seems a little gray. Why it looks weird is because that picture doesn't really fit in that much, and that's the best I can do for that picture. Because if I'm gonna do that, if I'm gonna like have to like try to fit him in like JAKEPAUL is, then the half of his body's gonna be cropped out, and the things that are making it look like not good, which I'm noticing, is the things right here on his neck, because it shows that he's outside. So, and then compared to him, it completely shows that he's like inside and just like behind lights and stuff. And this one compared to this one, he looks more cut out. It's because I'm gonna have to work with that. I'm gonna have to work with something.
It's like it's playtime when it's spray time. In the dance, they have to take a glance from
get another.
Brum, 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 brum,
I'm gonna cut this out right here.
brum, 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 brum. The mafia. It's like
or legit, maybe a filter here or there to look like it's the same picture blended in, but let's try to find a good filter here. Alright guys, so the JAKEPAUL versus KSI Photoshop. I think it came out pretty good. I think it personally came out pretty good. Other than this, maybe if I were to actually take more time on this, because this video was only 12 minutes uncut, it was 12 minutes, but I think like the verses was a bit pixely and the JAKEPAUL was a bit pixely, but then like compared to like the KSI that I put, and but other than that, as you can see, I got the screenshot from here, and yeah, guys, I personally think it came out alright. What do you guys think? Pop-up of the full picture, but other than that, thank you guys for watching. Maybe the next video will be a Photoshop because I'm working on a movie, so I can't be working on vlogs and stuff. I mean, I can, but who knows? We'll see what's the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.